I'm Bhairavi. With me is the head chef of Rang Mahal by Atul Kochar. That is, you know, Chef Amrish. So today we're going to be making lal mirch or murg ka salan. Right? And this is Amir Khan's favorite dish.
Perfect. To start with,
I know this.
we'll put some oil.
Right. Vegetable oil, 2 spoons.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what we'll do, first we'll just lightly fry the chilies.
Okay.
We'll keep them aside. Followed by we'll marinate the chicken.
Okay.
Lightly fry the chicken, we'll keep it aside. Then we'll start with the salan gravy.
All right.
So as I said, to start with, the oil is almost ready. We'll put some chilies in this.
1, 2, 3, 4 red chili. 5. Okay.
And if you see, I haven't removed the stem of these chilies. The purpose is that the moment you remove the stem part, they will dissolve in the salan gravy.
Okay.
So I want these chilies to be visible when you are having the salan.
So that's about half a dozen chilies we've just thrown in there. So we're going to be basically removing the excess oil, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Chilies are almost ready. So like normally you have seen whenever we start Indian cooking, we add some whole spices, and in this we haven't added any whole spice.
Okay.
We just started with some fresh green chilies. Now what we'll do, we'll just slightly season the chicken.
Okay.
So can you pass me the chicken?
Sure, there you go.
I'll add some salt. I'll go with some
Turmeric.
turmeric powder,
Okay.
a little bit of chili powder, a little bit of coriander powder. So basically what we will do in this, we will lightly season the chicken with these spices and we'll shock fry them.
Shock fry them.
Yeah. So
Okay.
basically shock frying is a process where you fry an ingredient on a very high flame.
Yeah. Shock fry.
Shock fry. So I think it's almost ready.
Yeah. And I'm assuming that you remove them pretty quickly as well.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah. The way you call it, tala hua gosht.
Yeah.
Something similar to that. So the chicken part is done.
All
so
right.
what we'll do now, I have got some brown onion there with me. We'll
Okay.
lightly fry the onions in the oil.
Okay.
So basically,
There we go. Brown onions. You've just been frying all the key ingredients, right?
So now the onions are fried.
Yeah.
We have started the gravy or the salan gravy, salan masala.
Okay.
So the onions are fried. So we'll lightly saute them in the oil to make them more crispy.
Yeah.
Now we will add some ginger garlic paste. Can
Okay.
you pass me the ginger garlic paste?
There it is.
We have added almost
So
2
a
tablespoons.
bowl. Okay. 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. They say if anyone can, then Amir can.
So at this stage, what we will do, we'll add some tamarind pulp.
All right.
That is also like one of the main ingredients for the salan.
Okay.
Here we add some tamarind pulp. That's it. Then I will add some fresh curry leaves in generous amount.
Okay. It's already smelling so lovely.
Now what we'll do, basically in the meantime the onions are getting ready.
Yeah.
Normally we have to toast the onions or slightly saute them in a pan, or we
Okay.
can do this in the oven also. And we have to toast the coconut in the pan or in the oven, your wish. I have kept the paste ready with me here.
All right.
So at this stage,
And we're just going to toss it in?
Yes.
Okay. And do you want me to stir while you
Yeah.
probably toss
Yeah.
it? Yeah.
You can
Yeah.
hold the handle from here. And like after sauteing all this or tossing all these ingredients, you need to soak them in a water so that it's little easy for you to make a paste of all these,
Yeah.
like coconut, peanut, and sesame seeds. I'll slightly increase the flame. There you go.
So that's the base of our salan.
That's the base of our salad.
Right.
And at this stage, we will add some salt.
So about 2 spoons of salt.
Yeah, again, any recipe you say worldwide, salt to taste.
Yeah, right.
So at this stage, basically, you basically just want to get away with the raw flavor of your peanuts or coconut.
Yeah.
So it will be like a one masala. So we'll saute this on a slow flame for like 5 to 10 minutes, not
Okay.
more than that.
Okay.
So Bhavi, here the masala is almost getting there.
Yeah.
Now at this stage, we can add some powdered spices. Like I have got some toasted cumin powder. So 2 spoons of cumin powder, and this is the coriander one. So I will add 1, 2, and 3 spoons of
Coriander
coriander
powder.
And if you feel at this stage, you can add some water also.
I think it looks like it could do with some water,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, we can add
Okay.
some water now.
So it looks like we're almost done. It's been around 10 minutes.
We'll add some turmeric powder.
Okay.
And we need to add some more water to this. So once the turmeric is mixed well, I will add some more water. There you go.
So while chef gets his other ingredient, I'm just going to toss this just so that it doesn't get burnt.
So we'll
Okay.
add some more water to this.
Sure.
There you go.
It's getting a bit of a green color.
Yeah.
Right? Is that what it's meant to look like?
That is what I'm looking for.
Okay.
Now at this stage,
Yeah.
we will add
Chicken.
the shock fried chicken.
Our shock fried chicken.
So I think maybe 4 to 5 pieces will be good enough for this curry.
Okay.
And we will add 4 chilies.
All right.
I'll
Is
put
that
you,
the ratio?
I'll put you on the safer side.
But is that the ratio you usually go for?
The ratio can be anything. It can be more if you prefer
Yeah.
your salad to be more
Yeah.
on the chili side. You can add more chilies into it.
Okay. So we're just going to wait until it boils?
Yeah, we'll just cook the chicken and the green chilies on a slow flame so that the flavor really gets into the chicken and the chilies. At the same time, they can release their flavors. It
Yeah.
can be a one dish together.
Okay.
In the meantime, I'll just get the ingredients ready for our presentation.
Sure. I know chef enjoys presenting his dish.
So it will be a complete salad meal.
Okay. So we've got 2 bowls,
Yes.
and I'm assuming one will have salad and one will have something that you're going to surprise us with,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
Okay then.
Now, where we almost the salad is ready, I'll just check the seasoning at this stage. I think we need a little bit more salt.
Okay.
Here we go with some salt.
Yeah, because it has to be
Perfect.
absolutely.
Now, just to add, just to make it more perfect, I got some jaggery here.
Okay.
So I'll add some jaggery because if you've seen, we have added tamarind in the
Yeah.
beginning stage.
Right.
So just to balance the acidity of tamarind,
Okay.
we'll add some jaggery to it.
And are you also waiting for it to get thicker?
No, since I am planning to serve this with something,
Surprise!
so I
Yeah.
want to have it not very thick.
Okay.
So I think salan is almost ready.
I think that looks ready.
So we can do
All right.
plating for the salan.
Sure.
So here we place our
Our murg, our shock fried murg.
shock fried murg, some curry,
Shock
And-
fried murg for the shocky cook.
some green chili.
Okay.
There you go with
Some
green
red chili, right?
Red chili, sorry.
Some red chili. Okay, that's good. That's good.
And I'll go with more.
No, go for it.
And little crispy fried potatoes here with me.
Okay.
So it will just give a nice texture to the salan. So I just loosen them up. And here we go with some potatoes and some sorrel crust. Then I have biryani rice for today.
Okay.
Here we go with the biryani rice.
Oh, the smell.
And that
My
makes
goodness.
the complete lal mirch or murg ka salan. So you have got rice,
Yeah.
you have got salan,
Yeah.
then you have got papadums.
All right, and papadums as well.